Morning everyone. So this is week 6 of our spelling. This week we are concentrating on the digraph CK, making the sound of K as in duck, sick, tackle. So CK doesn't always appear at the ends of words. It can appear in the middle of a word as well. So the digraph is CK, making the sound of K. Let's have a look. So we've got some words here and we've broken them down into their phonemes. So the first word here is back, back, and you break it down into the phonemes of B, A, K. And we spelled with the letters B, A, C, K, back. Let's go back to the beginning. Sock. Let's break it down into the phonemes first. S, O, K. Now the letters S, O, C, K. Sock. I have lost my sock. Next word is lick. Lick. L, I, K. And the letters are L, I, C, K. Lick. Ice creams are good to lick. Stick. Stick. Breaking it down. S, T, I, K. And the letters are S, T, I, C, K. 4 phonemes in that word, stick. Please put down that stick. Pick. Pick. The phonemes are P, I, K. And the letters are P, I, C, K. Let's pick up your book. Pick. Here's some more words again. We've got duck. The phonemes are D, A, K. The letters are D, U, C, K. Now the letter U doesn't say the sound of U. It says the sound of A. D, A, K. Duck. I can see a duck waddling on the water. Duckling. Duckling. D, A, K, U, ing together. The letters are D, U, C, K, L, I, N, G. Duckling. The duckling is with its mum on the water. Black. The phonemes are B, U, A, K. B, U, A, K. Black. The letters are B, L, A, C, K. Sometimes I write on a blackboard. Pack. Pack. P, A, K are the phonemes and the letters are P, A, C, K. We pack up at lunchtime. Pack. Now this is interesting. Backpack. Now we had back before and we've had pack. We've put 2 words together to make another word. So this is not a suffix. This is 2 words to make another word. Backpack. And the phonemes are B, I forgot the A, B, A, K, K, P, A, K. What have I done here? I have made a mistake. This one I haven't. P, A, K. But I forgot to make this an A, and that still should be a CK. See how easy it is to make a mistake, guys, isn't it? So let's sound it out from here. B, A, K, P, A, K. And the letters are B, A, C, K, P, A, C, K. Backpack. We packed our backpack when we went camping. Now we're going to do the prefix and the suffix. There's our base word. Can we add a prefix to make a new word? Or can we add a suffix at the end to make a new word? The word is duck is our base word. Can we add something before duck or something after duck? We've already had this word before. We can have the word duckling is our suffix. Ling is our suffix. And we have a new word, duckling. Let's try sick. Sicking? Can we have letters before the word sick? Unsick? De-sick? There is a suffix we can add. We haven't done a lot of this suffix before. There is our base word. And there is our suffix, ness. And we've got sickness. Sickness. S, k, n, s. There's another digraph, two S's making the one sound. Sickness. Back. Back. We can add a suffix to that and get another word. Backing. The truck is backing up. Backing. B, A, K. There's your digraph. Ing is your suffix. Backing. Truck. Can we have trucking? It's not really a word. Trucking, untruck, de-truck, trucker. We can have trucks. We could have trucks there. The S is the suffix, and we have trucks. Okay, let's try one more. Here's our base word, lick. Lick. We can add a suffix to that and get licking. Licking. L, k, ing. This word is tick. The clock ticks. Ticks. That's one with the S on the end. Or we can add the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. There's your suffix of the ing. Pick. P, I, k. Pre-pick, post-pick. But we can add same thing. Picks. Or we can add ing, picking. So S is the suffix and ing is the suffix. So we get two new words. From pick, picks. She picks up her lunchbox from the floor. Picking, we went picking for strawberries. This word is luck. L-U-C-K. Lucking? No. Luckster? No. Why? This word Y says E. I'm lucky. I have a lot of luck and I am lucky. So that's your suffix there. So there are they're not all your spelling words, I know, but we were trying to concentrate on CK as our digraph. CK is the digraph, making the sound of K, as in duck, sick, tackle. So you stick to your words, Genesis and Romans and Hebrews. You've got your work there. Please write out the Monday column and do your spiral spelling on the Monday as well. That's your spelling for today.